Is Medicare bad? Well, that's a question that kind of comes down to each individual person. And a lot of that can also come from confusion on Medicare and what it is, what it covers, what it doesn't cover, and knowing your specific plans. It's very similar to when you have health insurance with your employer, when you were on health insurance before you got into being Medicare eligible. What does your specific plan covers and how educated are you on your plan? Are you, yeah, I'm covered, I'm good, I got it? Or are you making sure that you're going the extra step in doing the research yourself or talking to someone who specializes in this business and educates himself on a regular basis and goes through trainings and updates year to year, studies that Medicare and You handbook every single year, front to back? Either way, it's the same way you would want to look at doing your taxes, want to look at planning your retirement. Is Medicare bad? Well, I would say no. Just make sure that you know exactly what you have, right? So, is it bad? A lot of Medicare, Medicare does and doesn't cover things. There's plans that go with your Medicare that you can supplement. There's Medicare Supplement, there's Medicare Advantage, there's standalone drug plans that you need to know about, that you need to educate yourself on or be educated on by someone else, by attending a seminar, by watching these kinds of videos to find out what exactly is the best fit for you. So Medicare is advantageous to all of its beneficiaries as long as you know what coverage you have and how it's covering you.